All right, hello guys, another beautiful day here in Jordan. Now I want to come clean to you about what I'm doing here. I've met up with Chris, who was on my Egypt tour, and now together we're traveling around Jordan. But to get around Jordan you have two choices. You can basically take taxis or you can rent a car. There is some public transport, but it's not that convenient, especially because the distances between the sites and the places you want to go are fairly short. So we decided to rent a car. It's my second time driving in Jordan, so there's no problems there. And this is the car we've rented for about 100 Australian dollars a day for the two of us. It's a hybrid, and we've rented it from Avis. So 100 Australian a day, which in Jordan is a fairly decent price. Now at the moment we're on our way to Wadi Musa, which is the township where Petra is located. Collected the car at the airport. We drove to Madaba yesterday, where we visited Mount Nebo and a number of the churches there. Beautiful spot, Madaba. The township also is a gorgeous, cute little town. Town of 60,000 only. And now we're driving the 3 hours to Petra. We're not quite halfway yet, but we've stopped at Joe Petrol for a coffee and some snacks, and then we'll continue on our way. Car's great, quite comfortable. A Nissan X-Trail. Let's have a look inside. So how's the car, Chris?
The car's fantastic, so comfortable, so good to be able to just come and go as we choose.
Yeah, and whatever time we choose, we don't have to rush around trying to find shared taxis or taxis. Yeah, it's really convenient. And if you're a competent driver, you've been driving quite a while, I do recommend Jordan as a place to try and learn to drive internationally. Roads are good. In the towns you have to go really slow, can be a little convoluted, a little difficult, but overall it's not too bad at all. So we'll pick you up when we stop next. We've just come into Wadi Musa here, which is the township where Petra is situated. And we've arrived in Petra, guys. It's certainly changed. It's much bigger, a lot more development here than the last time I was here. And the very first time I was here, there were only 2 or 3 guest houses in the whole place. So we're staying at this rather fancy place, La Maison. Let's check it out. Looks like plenty of others are staying too. And let's check out the room here at La Maison. Very French. Rooms don't look very French though. I mean, it's a tidy room, nothing special. So we have twin beds, naturally. Nice picture of the treasury over there on the wall. Not a lot of space. It is a little bit pokey for a 2-person room, but not too bad. We're paying, well, it was 100 Australian each, so it isn't cheap to stay here in Petra. We do have a good location though. We're fairly close to the site, the entrance to the site. All right, let's go check it out and show you what Petra's like today in 2023. There you go, they got an ATM right at the entrance of Petra in case you don't have enough cash for your ticket. Hui. Alright, where's my Jordan pass? Hey boss. Easy peasy, thank you. Oh, we get a ticket too? Can we use the same ticket in the morning?
Yes, yeah. Same ticket for them.
Thank you, boss. And we can use the same tickets to come in tomorrow morning. That's the benefit of scanning the day before. All right. So, let's have a look. Petra Visitor Center. So here's where we are. We're going to come in here through the Seek. Here's the start of the Seek. It's quite a walk just to get to the Seek. And then we come to the Treasury. So good to see here at Petra that they're now using golf carts instead of the carriages. So unfortunately we do still have horses. Most of the horses do look in pretty good nick though, a few underweight, but having the golf carts instead of the carriages is so much better for the tourists and for the horses. So that's great to see these golf carts have been introduced. Egypt, get your shit in order and get these golf carts at the pyramids now.
Everything will be alright, right? Can't take this pill not any longer. Yeah. I'm just acting tough. I'm nowhere strong enough. When I see you smile, that's just some torture. Every time I think about you, girl, the pain is absolute. The pain is absolute. The pain is absolute.
Well, here we are. We've made it down the Seek to the Kasna, the Treasury. That's the Treasury building. Hi. Hello. Hello. And as you can see, there are still plenty of camels around. It's a bit of a circus here at the front.
Nice Petra.
And that's the spot where you go up the top, up there. There we go. Up there. Walking over an hour now. We've come down to the colonnaded way, a Roman chariot walkway back in the day, and we're heading towards the monastery. I think Susan's Susan's buggered. Goats are a fabulous animal. They make great pets too. They're like dogs, but don't need as much care. Well, I didn't make it up to the monastery, but Chris did. Here's a pic. Well guys, what a trip to Petra. I mean, exhausting, unbelievably exhausting. We're back here at the Kazna, looking awesome. Most of the people are gone home, thank heavens. Awesome day, but exhausting day. Incredible. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this look at Petra, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. We're Girls on the Loose. Bye for now.